Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to use TranslateHub, an AI-powered intelligent translator for Google Sheets. You will find out how to install it, how to work with it, and most importantly, why TranslateHub is better than all its competitors. Finding our translator is very easy. You can go to our website and select the AI Sheets Translator category. This sheet shows information about the app. To access the application, you need to go to Google Workspace Marketplace. You can also find the app directly in the Google Workspace Marketplace. For this, you need to enter TranslateHub in the search field. To download the app, click Install. Select your email address. Confirm access permissions for the app to work correctly. This message indicates that the app has been installed. Next, it moves to a Google Sheet. The downloaded application is located in Extensions. Opens the application. You need to select the source and target languages. Alternatively, choose Detect Language to identify the source language automatically. For example, let's choose a translation into Spanish. You can choose to translate the entire sheet or only the selected range. Let's choose to translate the entire sheet, waiting for the translation to be completed. You can see the text is translated with just one click. The structure, formatting, and meaning are all kept intact. The translation is clear and accurate. Now let's translate only the selected range. Select the Spanish translation. Choose the translation of the selected range and translate. You can see the selected cells are now translated. You can test the translator for free. The first translation of up to 500 characters is available without a subscription. But to get unlimited access to translations, all you need to do is subscribe. Why this offer stands out: unlimited translations for just $7.99 a month. No limits, no high fees. Free gift, pick any template from our store. Clear, fair terms, no hidden restrictions. Install TranslateHub now. Unlimited translations, a free gift, and real-time savings. All links are in the description. Subscribe, try it out, and if you have any questions, we're always here to help.